back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about spot spraying weeds. And a little while back I made a video about how to take care of a fescue lawn, and this is just a follow-up video. One of the things in the video I talked about was spot spraying weeds. And so today I'm just going to show you how to spot spray weeds. So it's April, I haven't even mowed yet, it's the end of April. I've started watering, but I've got some weeds that are starting to come up, especially in an area where I overseeded and I didn't put any pre-emergent crabgrass preventer down. So of course weeds are going to come up. I've got weeds along the edges of my walkway and my sidewalk, so I'm going to treat those today. Usually you want to mow, and then a couple days later walk your property and spot spray for weeds. If you've got weeds everywhere, you're going to want to either broadcast weed and feed or just a herbicide, or you're going to want to hook a bottle to your hose that's a herbicide and spray it everywhere if you've got to do a big kill. But if you just got a few weeds, maybe 20, 30, then you can spot spray. You can either go to the store, go to Woodard Mercantile here in Wichita, Andover, or you can go to the big box store and you can get this Bayer, kills like 1,000 weeds. It's a broad spectrum weed killer, but it's safe for your lawn. Same thing about the Spectricide. It's good for crabgrass, 470 weeds, and it also takes care of nutsedge, which we'll talk about in another video if you get that later in July and August. But just mix these up. I like to you can just mix it up in a 5-gallon, 2-gallon, 5-gallon spray bottle, walk around and spray. I just use this little 1/2 gallon, mix it up. It's got a little pumper, it's got a little handle, it's got a little nozzle you can control. I just like it because it's really convenient. I just leave it in there till the next time I'm going to do it, and that bottle will last me the whole entire summer until next year. And you just walk around. The great thing is you don't have to be a Supreme Court justice, or you don't have to be a biologist, or even a horticulturalist. All you got to do is walk around, and if you look at something and it doesn't look like fescue grass, bam, just squirt it. You don't have to know what the weeds are. Just hit it, because it's covered 470 to 1,000 weeds. So chances are you're going to hit it. Now, if you spray it 2 or 3 weeks in a row and it doesn't die, probably got to do a little more research. But for the most part, if it doesn't look like fescue grass, just spray it and then see what happens a couple of weeks from there. So I'll show you how to do it. I'll just walk the yard and show you real quick. But literally, if it doesn't look like fescue grass, just spray it. So I mixed up my jug here, this little 1/2 gallon, and it took 1.5 ounces, and I think I have 36 ounces in my jug. So I literally could do this, if my math's right, about 30 times, and I should be good to go. Like I said, this will last me 2 weeks if I spray it every week. So like I said, I haven't mowed, so I'm just walking the walkway. There it looks like, doesn't look like fescue. I'm gonna spray it. Here we go. Like I said, I haven't mowed, just going along the walkway. That does not look like a fescue. I'm just gonna spray it. There's some more, just gonna spray it. Here we go, here's a whole bunch. This is bad enough. I'll probably treat this a couple times. Like I said, if I spray it, that doesn't look like fescue. Here we go, doesn't look like fescue. Spray it a little bit, some more. Spray it a little bit. And then just come back in a week. Like I said, you just kind of walk along, and anything that doesn't look like fescue, you just kind of spray. This bottle isn't working that great.
So spot spraying for weeds is pretty simple. It's something you can do yourself. Just make sure you mix it right and you won't really do harm to your lawn. So thanks for watching and good luck out there.